Hello, beautiful people. It's Sandro Stefanucci from Abstract Homes Renovations. We're getting ready to get started on this new infill house that we have here at Jericho Circle. It's going to be a fantastic architectural architect's dream build here on this lot that we have. I just want to go over a couple of things. One is this beech tree here. This has got a story to it. This the owner of the property purchased this from Expo 86. For those of you who are old as I am, know Expo 86. Anyways, the tree was 15 years old when he purchased it from there and brought it over here. This is 30 some odd years ago. So this is, anyways, it's close to 50 years old, if not 50, over 50 years old. This beautiful beech tree here. And in the planning process to do this particular job, the owner, who happens to be an architect, had said, well, let's keep this. It's a great, magnificent tree. Let's keep it and then put the infill at the front of the property, which could have been designed quite well and would have worked well within the property and fit beautifully in the streetscape as it is. But they totally denied it, and now we got to knock this tree down and really destroy this beautiful backyard that's here right now. But anyways, so tomorrow this is coming down, and I'm going to actually save a chunk of this tree here. Let it sit for a few years, and then hopefully we can make some furniture for the owners at that time. Take care, guys.